Engineerism, Geometric 08 DKM 21F 2046.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Farah Akila binti Ibrahim. My matrix number is 08 DKM 21 F 2004.
My name is Sharifah Farnabila binti Abdullah Muhammad Faris. My matric number is 08 DKM 21F 2020.
My name is Ile, and my matrix number is 08 DKM 21F 2045.
What is a professional bodies? A professional bodies, also known as the Engineering Council, are the organization that provide knowledge, skill, conduct, practice or occupation and hold the register of professional engineer. They also provide uphold standards, professional development opportunities and certification. Furthermore, helping employees to find the top talent in the industry. It is important for engineers to register with professional body such as BEM to allow them work as graduate engineer, professional engineer and professional engineer with practicing certificate. Then what is professional engineer? A professional engineer is an engineer that has a highest standard of competence licensed as a symbol of achievement and assurance of quality. Most professional bodies are sharing good practice and information. The Academy uses its power to bring all bodies on matters of interest to the engineering profession as a whole. The right and privilege of professional engineering. The right the engineer has as professional are called professional rights. These professional rights include the basic right of professional conscience, which is the right to autonomous judgment in morally complex decisions, the right of conscientious refusal, which is the right to refuse engage in unethical behavior, and lastly, the right of professional recognition, which is the right to monetary and non-monetary forms of recognition for their accomplishments.
I will be presenting about Code of Conduct of Registered Person. Engineers must perform under a standard of professional behavior that requires adherence to the highest principles of ethical conduct. Engineers, in the fulfillment of their professional duties, shall hold paramount of the safety, health and welfare of the public. They should perform services only in areas of their competence. There are 5 registered persons who need to follow the Code of Professional Conduct. Firstly, professional engineers with practicing certificate, professional engineers, graduate engineers, engineering technologies, and lastly, inspector of work. Type of registration. Firstly, professional engineers with practicing certificates. They need to pass a professional competency examination conducted by board. They also need to be residing in Malaysia for a period of not less than 6 months immediately prior to the date of application. Secondly, professional engineers. They must be registered graduate engineer with BEM. Professional engineer from overseas must register as graduate engineer to ensure her or his basic degree satisfied the academic requirement. Next, they are required to fulfill 3 years registration as graduate engineer before eligible to apply as professional engineer. Next, graduate engineer. They need to have recognized academic qualification for registration as a graduate engineer with BEM includes engineering degree awarded by Malaysia or engineering degree awarded by other countries. Fourthly, engineering technologies. They need to have recognized academic qualification for registration as an engineering technologist with BEM include engineering degree awarded by Malaysia or engineering degree awarded by other countries. Lastly, inspector of works. Registration of inspector of works will be under the 3 main engineering discipline, which are civil, mechanical, and electrical. Qualification of inspector of work is minimum at diploma level as stated in the requirement.
So, anyways, to be a professional engineer, so for path for diploma to pursue either engineering technology or engineering degree accredited by Board of Engineering Malaysia. There are 3 ways, which is Washington Accord, Sydney Accord, and Duke Accord. So all is after SPM, so we can go to either diploma or foundation. So for Duke Accord, we go to diploma, and after that go to diploma as a technologies. So after that, go to the degree of technology. So become a technologist, then to be an engineer, we will continue through the master of engineers. Then after that, be a graduate engineer, professional engineer, and lastly, professional certificate. So next, for signing a card, we go through matriculation, uh, foundation, technologies, engineering science, STPN. After that, we continuing the degree in technology engineering, become the technologist, then take the masters, become a graduate in engineer and professional, and lastly professional engineer with certificate. And lastly, you will be Washington Accord. So for Washington Accord, you will go through foundations, technologies, metrics, engineering science, STPN, then go to degree of engineering accredited by BEM, become the graduate engineer, lastly professional engineer and professional engineer with practicing certificate, which all consist of the title of IR. So next, let me switch back to English. I would like to talk about professional engineering institution. So a professional engineering institution is an organization that represents and supports engineers in a specific region or field. It typically aims to uphold professional standards, provide them great opportunities, offer continuing education, and promote the interests of the engineering community. In Malaysia, various professional engineering institutions cater to different engineering disciplines. Some notable ones include Institution of Engineers Malaysia, IEM, Board of Engineers Malaysia, BEM, Association of Consulting Engineers Malaysia, ACEM, Malaysian Institute of Chemical and Biochemical Engineering Technologies, MICT, and Institution of Mechanical Engineering Malaysia, MEC. That's all about my presentation today. Thanks for listening and have a nice day.
Institute of Professional Engineer. The first one is Board of Engineer Malaysia, BEM. The Board of Engineer Malaysia is a statutory authority founded in 1972, representing the engineer profession in Malaysia. The institution aims to raise the prestige of the engineering as well as those involved in the field. BEM is under the administration of the Ministry of Works Malaysia and established under the Registration of Engineer Act 1967. The institute is responsible for the maintenance of the registration of engineering graduates and professional engineers. In addition, BEM also serves as the controller that determines conduct and ethics for those involved with engineering Malaysia. The second one is Institute of Engineer Malaysia. The Institution of Engineer Malaysia, IEM, was established in 1959 and its primary function is to promote and advance the science and profession of engineering in any or all its disciplines and to facilitate the exchange of information and ideas related to engineering. The objective of the institution is to hold meetings, exhibitions, and visits, and such other activities as the institution may deem incidental or conducive to the promotion or attainment of the profession of engineering.
For the conclusion, in conclusion, professional bodies play an important role in regulating and advancing the standards of professional engineers. They set ethical guidelines, facilitate continuous learning, and ensure adherence to industry best practices. Professional engineers, through these bodies, contribute to innovation, safety, and sustainable development in their respective fields. Continuous collaboration between engineers and professional bodies is vital for maintaining high standards and fostering a dynamic professional environment. The discussion is about how professional bodies and professional engineers have made a positive impact on society. Firstly, the development of safe and efficient transportation systems. Secondly, the design and construction of sustainable buildings and infrastructure. Thirdly, the development of life-saving medical technologies. Fourthly, the protection of the environment. Professional bodies and professional engineers will continue to play an important role in society in the future as we face new challenges such as climate change, resource scarcity, and urbanization.